Okay, let's solve this one. This one we're gonna use some identities again. What I would do is replace cosecant x with 1 over sine x. I'm trying to get everything in terms of sine and cosine. And cotangent x is simply cosine of x over sine x. And something we can do now, we can bring these together. We're just going to add them. We're going to clean it up. So now you have 1 plus cosine of x over sine of x, because you have the same denominator. So you just bring them together. Let's see, what can I do next? Let's clear that fraction. I'm going to multiply both sides by sine of x. And on this side, if I do this, put it over 1, and then visualize that, that's going to cancel. You have 1 plus cosine of x equals, and now I'm going to multiply sine of x times 1, which will be sine of x. Now this one's kind of unique. There's one way to solve this by using your identity to solve for cosine of x, but there's a faster way to do this. And what I would do is just draw a graph of it. So let's draw a graph. Just kind of neat to get this. All right. Let's start with our increments. Our increments, this is just regular cosine, regular normal sine. Your intervals or increments will be pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. You got to know those. If you don't, look them up. Here, that's 1, negative 1. All right, let's draw this one in red. We're going to grab the sine function. Sine of x, regular sine of x. It's just starting at 0. It's going to go up, go back here, go down here, and over here. So we just sketch it. All right. We're going to do the same thing for the next one, which happens to be 1 plus cosine of x. And your answer, your solution is just with any equation, is just where the two graphs intersect. That's your solution. And this one just comes out nice and neat in between 0 and 2 pi. So here this right here takes my function and shifts it up 1 unit. So this is my midline. Visualize only the green. We're going to ignore the sign for now. And if this is my midline, if I go up 1, that's actually going to put me at 2, which is fine. But I went up 1 unit because that's now, because this is right here is your amplitude is really, it's an understood 1. So that's why I could go up 1 and down 1 for your function. So I'm going to start at the max for cosine. So you're going to start, let's do that in blue. Got a lot of colors going on here. And start here at the max. And then remember cosine, I go down. Oh, got a solution. Go down. Another solution. Back up. Back up. So now my function looks like this. Not the best curve over there. So now your solutions are simply when x is equal to pi over 2 plus 2 pi n and pi plus 2 pi n. And that's it. That's the easiest way to solve that one. Hopefully that helped.